Hello friends, welcome to IBHAV prefabricated steel structure class. Today I'll share with you about industrial knowledge, popularization about our industry. And as you know, prefabricated steel structure building composed with these main components like the purlin and cladding system for the internal framing and exterior cladding, like the C and Z shape purlins and brace and tie rod and so on. In our design, we generally has 6 kind of the style for the steel structures, like the clear span and multi span. This is clear span. You can get most of the spacing, and this kind is two interior columns for supporting the roof, and also this kind